Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter kinematics part 7. In this part, 4 techniques of solving the problems. So, first technique is sketching. 4 techniques. Solving problems on physics, and the first step is sketching. Second is sorting of data. Third is selection of formula. Fourth technique is substitution of terms. Fifth there are only 4 techniques. So first technique means sketching, and it tells that after reading and understanding the problem, it should be visualized. The visualization should be done in the form of a neat diagram called sketching. Once you draw a neat sketch of the problem, it means 50% of the problem is solved. Second step means sorting of data. Means once you have selected the problem, we need to sort out the data. It means we need to make a note of terms given in the problem and term that is required. Note that to save time, it is always better to write terms in symbols. Example, if distance is given as 5 meter, we can write it as s is equal to 5 meter. Note that the term that is required should always have a question mark, so that we are clear about the aim of the problem. Step 3, selection of formula. Formula can be selected by checking the terms that are given in the problems and are required term. Step 4 is substitution of terms. Substitute the terms given in the problem from step 2 in the selected formula, step 3. Note that before we substitute, we should make sure that all terms are in the same system of units. Example, if mass is given in CGS unit and volume in SI units, we should make sure that both mass and volume should be in the same system of units. That is, both should be either CGS units or both should be in SI units. So let us solve the problems now onwards by following the above technique. So our first question is that an athlete runs in a circular path of radius 14 meter 10 times in 10 minutes. Calculate its speed in meter per second. So for this question, the diagram will be like a circle shape because the athlete is running in a circular path, and the radius means the midpoint of the circle, and the midpoint from the circumference line. This is the radius, and the radius of the athlete is 14 meter. 10 times in 10 minutes. 10 times in 10 minutes. Calculate its speed in ms, meter per second. Speed is equal to what in meter per second unit. So the step 1 was sketching that we have done, and sorting of data, that is 10 times in 10 minutes. Speed is equal to what, and radius as given is 14 meter. So the formula will be, first before taking the formula, we can convert 10 minutes into seconds because we need speed in meter per second. If we will convert 10 minutes in second, then after converting radius into the by the formula in the form of meter, remaining will be the minutes, and first we will convert minutes into second for this unit. For that, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 10 minute is equal to how much? After multiplying, 10 minute will be 600 second. 600 second. Step 3 is selecting formula. We have to find speed, so the formula will be speed of the athlete is equal to distance covered by time taken. This will be our formula. After that, distance covered by the circular athlete in a circular path is equal to number of times he runs in a circular path into circumference of the path. After that, the step 3 is substitution of terms. Now we will place the terms in their places. So speed will be equal to distance covered. Distance we don't know because only radius is given. So there is a formula for finding the distance covered by the athlete in circular path. That will be n into 2 pi r is equal to n into 2 pi r is equal to 10 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. 10 is the minutes, 10 times into 2 is the formula, that this pi's value is 22 by 7 and radius is 14. We can simplify this. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Again 10 into 2 into 22 is 44 into 2 is 44 into 2 will become 88, and after all 10 into 88 is 80 meter 880 meter per second, because in this the time was also involved. So meter per second will be the formula. So here second is 600 second and meter is 880. 0 will be cancelled. 230 is 60, 244 is 88. Again by simplifying it will become 15 and this will become 22. Therefore, the speed of the athlete is equal to 22 by 15 meter per second, or we can write it like 22 by 15 meter per second, like this. I hope you have understood this question. I hope you have understood these questions and topics till this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. On this channel, we have covered the class 7th foundation also. So you can check in the description link. There is the links of the foundation course of 7th. Thank you for watching.